Welcome to Guided, stories of signs, synchronicities, whispers, and waking up. This is where we meet at the edge of logic and listen deeper. Let's explore what happens when we stop forcing and start flowing. Welcome to another episode of Terry and the Garlic Inside.
No, it's the guide inside.
Terry and the Guide Inside.
This is Guided, episode 7, The Feather. This is from Jill and one of her comments on the YouTube channel. She's out walking. The kind of day you want a bottle. Still, warm, golden sun pressing against her shoulders, like a gentle hand saying, "You're alright." And then there it is, a feather. Big, beautiful, just lying there on the path. She hears it. Pick it up. So she does. And the moment she holds it gently, like you would hold something sacred, the feather starts to flutter. But it's not like a breeze. There's no breeze, no gust, no hidden string. Just this feather suddenly dancing. Wild, alive, almost vibrating with joy. She bursts out laughing, out there by herself. Just joy pouring out of her chest like she's been tickled by the sky. Later, Jill tries to show someone. She wants to share it, to say, "Look, this happened, this was real." But the feather, still ordinary, like nothing ever happened. And yeah, she feels a little foolish. But then the realization settles in, soft and certain. The moment wasn't meant for an audience. That joy, it was just for her. A private moment between her and the unseen. Quiet giggle from something ancient and light-hearted that said, "Hey, we see you, and we're here." They'll lift your heart, they'll mess with your expectations, and sometimes they'll make a feather dance. Just for you. Have you ever had a moment that felt like a wink from the other side? Send me your story. I would really like to hear it. Find the details in the description. This is Guided. Until next time, my friend.